How to make a stretch mark reducing body cream using recipes. Put the coconut oil and the pulverized calendula flowers inside a sanitized but dry glass container or jar, then let them soak for 2 weeks in a temperate location, probably in close proximity to the window. Drain liquid from the blend by using a dirt-free muslin cloth, then throw away the used herbs. Put in the vitamin E cream, lavender and bergamot essential oils into the mixing bowl. Mix them carefully using a wooden spoon or disposable stirrer. Move the blend from the mixing bowl into a dirt-free, sanitized bottle that has a pump, then let it set for 24 hours prior using. It is extremely trouble-free to make a homemade stretch mark reducing body cream because majority of the ordinary components can be easily found in majority of health food stores online. The most common ingredients for making stretch mark creams include calendula flowers, coconut oil and vitamin E cream. These ingredients are known to be useful in lessening the inflammation as well as injury of the skin, which is why they are extremely perfect components to lessen stretch marks. The homemade stretch mark reducing body cream can be stored for at least a month, particularly if kept in a cool, dry location. You can also keep the cream inside the refrigerator in between utilizations for an even lengthy shelf life. There are certainly a lot of techniques you can make use of if you plan to reduce cellulite using the natural means. Cellulite reduction is now possible with homemade creams as mentioned above.